Hello, this is Noah from Health and Balance. I'm going to show you an exercise to help stretch these scalenes here in front. So what happens is when these get tight, you actually pull your head forward into a forward head posture. So getting these to stretch will help your head come back. So this is how it goes. I want you to take 2 fingers across the body, feel above your clavicle. There's going to be a tight muscle in there. It's something like a guitar string or an uncooked spaghetti strings. Find that. If it's sore, good. Shorten the muscle. Now take the flats of your fingers, grab it, tension down. Hold that tension with the other hand and bring your chin up to the air. 1, good, bring it back. Tension again, very important. 2, and 1 more, grab tension. Great.
How often should we do this stretch?
You should do it as often as you feel a muscle that needs it. So scan both sides. If you have another spot on this side, do it there. You should be doing it once a day.